Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Nokia G20, at the first you have to go for the settings, pick sound, and as you can see at the first we can adjust volume of the media, calls, ringtone and alarm by moving the switchers just like that. Here we can change vibration for calls, we can activate them or deactivate. Next we can find the do not disturb mode that we can customize and turn on. We can also show the media player. And this place we can prevent ringing, so we can turn on or turn it off this option. Here we can change ringtone for our SIM first. When you go for the advanced, we can also make the same for the second SIM. We can change default notification sound, alarm sound, and here we got other sounds and vibration options like touch sound, touch vibration, screen locking sounds, and the other. As you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.